Hi, I'm Louis Ortiz on behalf of Expert Village, and today we're going to show you a basic preparation for French toast. This is a real crowd pleaser as far as breakfast meals go. And I've got some thick sliced white bread that I just got from the grocery store. And I'm using a knife that's got some teeth on it so that we can cut through this bread without having to apply a bunch of pressure to it and mash it down, so that we get some nice even slices. And I'm just going to cut these into some triangles here in half. And behind me on the stove top, I have a nonstick Teflon saute pan with some clarified butter. And we've shown you how to clarify butter in a previous video. And I like to use clarified butter simply because it adds a really nice, nutty, rich flavor to foods, but it also is just a lot more rugged and hardy to heat. And it lasts longer. And with this particular cooking procedure, it'll be real nice. I've just got a thin layer, if you will, inside the pan, not too much, because it's not going to take a whole lot to just get a nice crispy color on this milk and egg wash. And I used 2 whole eggs, and a little bit of milk in my mixing bowl here. I'm going to throw these guys in. And again, the cook time's not going to be a whole lot on an item like this, simply because the bread's done. So I'm going to lower this heat just a little bit. And we're really just looking for a nice color out of these guys. And I've got a fish spatula that I like to use. And this is for more of the gentle applications, such as this. We've got a decent color coming off of him. We're doing okay on that color as well. And again, using the clarified butter, it's just going to add a nice, nutty, rich flavor to this. And it actually provides a lot better color because you've got solids in the egg from the milk and the egg wash. But the butter itself is clarified. So we've got a nice, good golden color on the toast. That only took a little over a minute, if you will. So we're going to finish this second side, and we'll come right back and show you how to present this on a plate and how to make it look nice for your guests.